This $10,000 doe saves you from those headaches and accelerates your success timeline dramatically. She arrives ready to perform, ready to reproduce, and ready to become the cornerstone of a profitable and satisfying livestock venture. Let me paint a clearer picture of daily life with an animal of this quality. In the morning, you walk out to your pasture and see her grazing contentedly alongside her future offspring. Her strong digestive system handles a wide variety of forages, from lush grasses to browse like the leaves she is enjoying in the photo. This natural efficiency means lower feed bills and healthier animals overall. During kidding season, you can expect smooth births thanks to her well formed pelvis and strong maternal drive. Within minutes of birth, she will clean and nurse her newborns, ensuring high colostrum intake and vigorous starts for the kids. For American homesteaders looking for self sufficiency, this goat offers multiple benefits. Her milk can supply your family with fresh, nutritious dairy that is often easier to digest than cow's milk. Many people with lactose sensitivities thrive on goat milk. You can make yogurt, kefir, feta style cheeses, and even goat milk soap right on your property. The manure she produces is excellent garden fertilizer, rich in nitrogen and other nutrients that will boost your vegetable production. Nothing goes to waste in a well managed goat operation. Those of you running agritourism operations or farm stays will find her striking appearance makes her a visitor favorite. Guests love taking photos with beautiful, friendly animals like this. She can become an ambassador for your farm, helping attract paying visitors, school groups, and workshop attendees who want to learn about sustainable agriculture and animal husbandry. Let's discuss long term genetics management. By purchasing this doe, you gain access to bloodlines that have been carefully selected for generations. Her sire and dam likely came from programs focused on improving milk yield, meat conformation, parasite resistance, and overall vigor. When you breed her to complementary bucks, you can practice line breeding or outcrossing strategically to fix desirable traits. Over time, you develop your own signature herd that reflects your goals, whether that's maximum milk, show winning color patterns, or fast growing meat animals. I want to address common concerns potential buyers have. Some worry about temperament. This doe exhibits calm, confident behavior. She is not flighty or aggressive, making her easy to handle even for first time owners or families with children. Proper socialization and gentle handling will keep her friendly and cooperative. Another concern is housing. While she is hardy, providing simple shelter from extreme weather, good fencing, and clean water will keep her thriving. She does not require elaborate barns. A three-sided shed or access to natural windbreaks often suffices in most American regions. Nutrition is straightforward. High-quality hay, mineral supplements formulated for goats,